Stability has released an open-source model for converting images into 3D assets, and now it can be used in ConfTi through the installation of some nodes. We see its GitHub address. The model is named StableFast3D. The horizontal axis represents time, and the vertical axis shows scores. It still holds the highest score. Its speed is second only to TripoSR. Memory tests show it requires about 8 GB, while other models can't be solved with just 8 GB. Anyway, back to the core part of the Comfy UI workflow here. The prefix before this part was prepared specifically for the image, a simple tattoo design, and then the forward prompt connected to the Ollama node to generate the prompt. After generating the image, you need to check one part of the background. The image sticks to the image and the mask sticks to the mask. This needs to be integrated into the entire process. This node is also crucial. So it comes from this plugin. If you haven't removed the background node, you can install it appropriately. The models are already called fast, emphasizing speed above all. You can see that the entire process was completed in just 1 second. An essential part of the entire process is this 3D pack node, which is extremely difficult to install. There's really no better advice available. Everyone's problem is different. You can check the feedback section to see if there are similar issues and find a solution. The generated model is in GLB format and can be directly imported into Blender for use. Navigate to RunHub AI or click the link in the introduction to register, and you'll receive 1200 HP. Logging in daily also gives you 100 points. The corresponding AI workflow and one-click AI applications have been deployed online and can now be run and tested online.